Hey, this is Benji with Navigate Change Sleep Coaching, and I want to invite you to join the upcoming Sleep Alchemy course, which begins January 3rd. So this is a course where you'll learn how to sleep well. I know a lot of us spend most of our lives trotting through the world half alive. Many of us have never received a single hour of sleep training anywhere in our entire educations. And because of this, we spend most of our time exhausted or underperforming, or we have a late night and then for 3 or 4 days after we feel awful. But sleep doesn't have to be difficult like that. So I want to tell you a couple stories. So a couple of years ago, I was traveling full time and I got home one day after several flights and driving late at night. And as soon as I got home, a door-to-door salesman knocks on my door selling home security systems. I was exhausted. I wasn't thinking straight. The next thing I knew, I had signed a $60 a month contract, and the workers were in my home drilling and hammering for hours and hours. 11 p.m. came that night, and they were still in my home drilling, racing to finish against the clock. So I kicked them out, barely. And a couple days later, after sleeping all weekend, it dawned on me I'd made a bad decision. I didn't even know in the moment that it was a bad decision. And I had to deal with the embarrassment of calling back those same workers to come and undo the whole installation because I just didn't need what I had bought. So I think a lot of us make awful decisions when we're exhausted. So the question is, what bad decisions have you made in your life when you were exhausted? How much of your life have you spent underperforming because you don't feel well, you don't have enough energy? What are your relationships like when you're not sleeping well? So those are big questions. And I've designed the Sleep Alchemy course for people like you that want to have amazing lives, who want to be at 100% performance at work, who want to have extra time for play at the end of the day where you still feel good. And these are big questions. We have to have good sleep in order to feel good during the day. So the Sleep Alchemy course is a 3-month course where you'll get group coaching, which means that you'll have the support of a group to try out the techniques and the ways of sleeping well. There's a intellectual component where you'll learn the actual nitty-gritty of what sleep is and how we can biohack it to feel great each day. There's also components about not just how do we sleep great, how do we get more deep sleep, but what do we do on the nights where we can't sleep? Let's say we want to go to a party until midnight. Part of sleep training is we want to have fun in our lives and to be able to recover. So a big part of the program is also about how do we recover after a night of bad sleep, after a work trip, how do we deal with the jet lag? So in this 3-month training, you'll get all those important pieces to the puzzle. And you'll also learn how to deal with nightmares. We'll deal with a little bit with dreams as well. But this is an important thing. Imagine what you would do with the extra energy in the new year if you woke up feeling great for 3 straight months. That's what this course is. How do you change your lives? I'm a personal development coach and a sleep coach, and in this course we'll mix the two together so that you have 3 months waking up feeling inspired, working on sleep. Individual sleep coaching or personal development coaching is of course available on the side, but this is a group course designed to help you sleep great for 3 months. So if you'd like to register, if you have more questions, you can see our website, dreamcircling.com, and I'll post that down in the chat. It's a fairly small investment for the amount of good you'll get out of this course. It's a $300 investment, and the course begins on January 3rd. So I hope to see you there from the convenience of your own living rooms. And please reach out with any questions. You can reach me by text message also at 303-847-5263 or here on the website where you're watching this video. So I'll look forward to seeing you all in January. Happy holidays.